We have very high hopes for the highway's opening. There will be so many more tourists here. We can sell them dates and introduce them to scenic spots along the route. Our investment will definitely pay off.
So the Chinese saying may still hold true after all. Want to get rich, you have to first build a road.
If you look closely, it's obvious that highways contribute a lot to the regional economy. The busiest sections, with their traffic and load capacity, show economic hubs are often linked with highway systems.
And that's why China continues to add on more pavements. The Yanhuang expressway, which runs 800 kilometers along the Yellow River, will open to traffic this Saturday, much to the joy of those living along it.